Hi everyone! How are you doing? Today, we're going to make a magical face that changes expressions each time you flip the layers. Sounds fun, right? First, fold your paper in half both ways, then unfold it. Make sure the color you want for the face is facing down before folding. Now, fold each corner into the center and unfold again. Next, fold the paper in half vertically along the middle line. Then, fold one corner to meet the other, making a triangle shape, then unfold. Tuck the folded part inside neatly. Press the folds firmly, then open the sides and fold them down. Do the same at the top part as well. Put your finger inside the pocket and press it flat. Repeat this for the other 3 corners. Now you'll have 4 little square flaps. Let's draw a happy smiley face here. If you flip the first layer, it looks like a brand new page. This time, let's draw a sad face. Now flip 2 layers the other way, and let's draw a funny winking face with its tongue out. And there you go. When you flip through each layer, the expressions change. What a fun little toy! If you liked Folding with B, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more fun videos like this. See you next time.